Question is from Unable on YouTube. Hello, my heat exchanger recently started leaking gray water when I run CIP on it. Any thoughts? Yes. I think you probably have some compromised gaskets, my man, my friend. I know people have different takes on this, and I had people give some different feedback because just recently we were talking about what I pack my heat exchanger with. Check out Adam Makes Beer on YouTube, and you'll find the little snippet from last live stream, I believe, where we were talking about what I pack, how I leave my heat exchanger packed. Some people are saying things like, oh, they let their heat exchanger air dry. I'm skeptical whether or not you can get your heat exchanger to air dry. There's a lot of nooks and crannies, a lot of crevices, and maybe it does air dry. But I don't know. Maybe you can blow enough CO2 through it to blast it out. I feel like you're always going to have something in there, and some nice clean water seems just fine for before you run Sani on it before your next brew. But I've heard from plenty of people that they say they leave theirs packed with acid, they leave it packed with caustic. That's fine. But I do know that there are some chemical folks out there that I've talked to that said you don't want to do that. Specifically, some of the acids can be rough on those gaskets. But if you are in the situation where your heat exchanger is leaking like that, yeah, you want to break that thing down, give it a full clean, and get your gaskets replaced. I would recommend to try to pull up a YouTube video on that. And there's a lot of great stuff out there. I will say this, if we do get to a point where we break down a heat-ex at Sonder, or if I have an opportunity to be a part of a heat-ex breakdown, I will definitely make a tutorial video on it. But yeah, you want to get that thing taken care of. You want to get it pulled apart, the plates cleaned, the appropriate gaskets for it, the appropriate glue. It's a whole routine. It's a whole routine. It has to be, tightened the same amount and in a certain way. So, yeah, I would do some digging online for that. And but that's probably what you're going to want to do. You do not want gray stuff leaking out of that boy, out of that metal sandwich. That's what I'm calling it from now on. The metal sandwich. Thanks for the question, Unable.